Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Adobe Photoshop on a Mac computer. Tutorial 10, using the Marquee tool to slice an unwanted image section. Without further ado, let's start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Adobe Photoshop, and a project we have been working on. As you can see on screen, we have photo.psd. Let's now click this, open up the project on screen. And now we are trying to slice a section of the image that we do not require. Let's bring image copy back, click on the eye, and let's hide the screenshot. So in order to remove a section of an image, let's go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on the Marquee tool, rectangular Marquee tool. Let's leave it to rectangular, and let's slice the top of the image. Let's do that again. Let's just move the image towards the bottom. And go back to the Marquee tool, click on this. Let's use a rectangle. And if we use the rubber to erase what we have on screen, this smart object must be rasterized before proceeding. Edit contents will no longer be available. Rasterize the smart object, absolutely. Click on OK, and now click on delete, and the whole section of the selected section has now been removed using the tool, eraser tool. And let's use the Marquee tool again to remove the bottom part of the image. So click, size, delete, click on screen again, and the unwanted sections have been removed from the image. And so if we want to bring them back, Command Z, not once but twice. Let's just remove the image that we no longer require again, and there you go. And so Command S to save. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.